Hey, Luke, do you mind cutting the cake?
Sure. Nah, we gotta do better than that.